Are you tired of spending countless hours on digital marketing with little to show for it? Maybe you're overwhelmed by tools that promise the world but drain your time and budget. Here's the reality: the right tools can make or break your marketing strategy, and most people are using the wrong one. But what if I told you that you don't need expensive subscription to win? Stick around because I'm about to reveal 5 free tools that will save you time, supercharge your marketing, and help you grow faster without spending a single cent. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is obviously Canva, your design powerhouse. If your designs are making your brand look unprofessional and amateurish, you need to understand bad visuals can tank trust and credibility. And hiring a designer can cost hundreds, even thousands of dollars every month. Plus, not everyone has hours to learn complicated design softwares like Photoshop. That's where Canva comes in. It's a drag and drop, simple and designed for non-designers. In social media graphics, email headers, or YouTube thumbnails, Canva has the template tailored for every purpose. And yes, it's free. You can start creating polished, professional-looking content in minutes. No stress, no hassle. Number 2, Google Analytics. Data is your secret weapon. You feel like you're guessing at what works on your website, spending money driving traffic without knowing what converts. Here's the thing: without data, you're marketing in the dark, and you could be wasting time and money on what doesn't work. Google Analytics is your flashlight. This free tool gives you detailed insights into your audience, where they're coming from, what they're doing, and which pages drive results. With Google Analytics, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter. Tool number 3 is Copcut. Edit videos like a pro. Are you struggling to create video content because you think video editing is expensive or hard to learn? You all know video is king in today's marketing, but paying for editors or trying to master complicated software can feel impossible. That's where Copcut comes in. It's a free beginner-friendly app that lets you create professional quality videos right from your phone or desktop. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube videos, Copcut helps you stand out in a crowded market, and yet it's free. Tool number 4 is Mailchimp. This helps you master email marketing. Do you think email marketing is dead? Think again. Are you ignoring email because it feels outdated or too complicated? Well, let me tell you something: you're missing out on one of the highest ROI channels. But managing lists and sending campaign manually is overwhelming. Mailchimp is your answer. The free plan allows you to build email lists, create campaigns, and automate follow-ups. Whether you're just starting or growing your business, Mailchimp ensures that you stay connected with your audience. And it's ridiculously easy to use. Tool number 5 is Answer the Public. This helps you in unlocking content ideas. Are you running out of content ideas for your blog, social media, or even ads? Wondering what your audience really cares about? Without the right topics, you're creating content that no one wants to engage with, and that's a waste of effort. Answer the Public is a gold mine for content inspiration. Type in a keyword, and it shows you the most searched questions and topics around it. It's like having a direct line to your audience's mind, completely free. Use it to create blogs, social posts, or even video content that speaks to what people actually care about. So there you have it: Canva, Google Analytics, Copcut, Mailchimp, and Answer the Public. These tools aren't just free, they're powerful. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, they'll save you time, cut your costs, and help you achieve your goals faster. Here's your next step: pick one of these tools and start using it today. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try out first, or if there's another tool you swear by. And remember, success isn't about having all the tools. It's about knowing how to use them effectively. Hit that like button, subscribe for more actionable tips, and I'll see you in the next video.